I'm Sean Johnson, founder of Approved Home Pros, and I'm here with my good friend and resident expert, Greg Cantor, owner of Murray Lampert Design Build Remodel. And with it being the new year, we're talking about a few different things that people should be doing, kind of their New Year's resolutions for the home. There's some things you can do yourself and some things you need a pro to do, correct?
Yes, for sure. And our easy DIY project is, and people forget about it, is to clean their dryer vent out.
What's the reason for that? Is it dangerous?
Well, it fills up with lint, first of all, so the machine doesn't operate properly, and it can cause a fire. So simply take a vacuum or shop vac and just pull it apart and suck out the lint.
That's an easy one. Another one that's safety related, that's easy DIY, is change the batteries in your smoke alarms and CO2 detectors, correct?
Yeah, avoid the chirp and replace the batteries annually.
There's nothing worse than searching the house, because the chirp seems to hit at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's horrible. So a couple of other things that we have here on our DIY list. Check the water shutoffs. I know that that's something important in case that there's some kind of an emergency if they work.
Yes, we really have hard water in San Diego. So once a year, if you turn on and off the controls under your sink, it'll just avoid them freezing up.
A couple of other things we'll go through quickly before we get to the ones that pros can do. Clean out your drainage lines, clean the rain gutters, but be careful, don't get up there on the roof, and if on a ladder, always ladder safety.
I never recommend getting up on a roof if you're a homeowner.
Absolutely, that's one with some definite safety to it. Also, check the weather stripping around doors and windows. That's pretty easy. Let's move over to the things that pros should be doing for you. The number one thing for safety, you said, is a furnace inspection.
Yes, furnaces are very dangerous. They have CO2 that can be emitted, so an annual checkup. Also, it's like a car, it really needs to be tuned up.
Another annual thing that we recommend at Approved Home Pros is a termite and deck wood, just a basic termite inspection, correct?
Yeah, there's dry rot and wet rot and termites that should be an annual checkup that you have on your home.
And most pros, especially the ones in our network, if you go to approvedhomepros.com, you'll find them. They'll do those inspections for free. Another couple of things that we recommend are roof inspections. That's something that you should get on a regular basis as well, correct?
Every 2 or 3 years, if you have an older roof, and probably replacement depending on the type of roof, every 25 to 50 years.
Okay, those, again, you're heading off problems by doing these things. And if you have a pool, it's a good idea to get that pool inspected just to make sure everything's running right. Also to see if maybe you have an old inefficient single-speed pool pump.
Right, you want a variable speed pool pump. It saves you a lot of energy, and it's a pretty inexpensive upgrade.
So this is a great time of year that you want to be going through your home, making sure you have a list. We provide this list for you at approvedhomepros.com/show extras, so you'll be able to find it there. And it's just great to stay ahead of problems.
Right.
The other thing is, if you go with our pros, you're going to be able to do it with confidence. I think a lot of people are afraid to do things like get a roof inspection or a termite inspection because they're afraid somebody's going to come in, find a problem that's not there, and try and find a way to upcharge them. If you go with our pros, that is not something that you are going to run into in any way, shape, or form.
That's because they all live by the Home Improvement Code of Conduct.
Yep, our Approved Home Pros, our Approved Home Pros code, and it's something we put every one of our pros through. And as our resident expert, it's the reason that we brought you into the network is to be able to do to help. Really vet and screen everybody, and that's what you do. So turn to approvedhomepros.com. We have all of these things listed for you.